Okay, hello guys. Hello. Okay, here is more of my birds. We have more birds here. This is the tropical birds series. These are all South American birds, I'm sure. Okay, here's the scarlet macaw. This is Cherry, by the way. He's the news reporter. And we have the Guinea and cock of the rock. And here's Plantain. If you may recognize Plantain. Plantain doesn't not work. I have a second toucan, who doesn't work either, but it has a tag. And the blue-fronted Amazon. Here's the blue-fronted Amazon parrot. Yeah, I really like this one. It's just really pretty. I like the blue. Here's the imperial Amazon parrot. Yeah. And this is blue and yellow macaw. Kind of squawks. And here's the St. Vincent Amazon right here. He has Velcro in the back. I don't know why. It also has some bigger ones. First, this is the bigger blue-fronted Amazon parrot. You can compare these. Plantain, you stupid guy. Okay, so here's them both. They look the same. So, yeah. Here's the blue-fronted Amazon parrot. Yeah. This is Sir Steve. This is the St. Vincent Amazon parrot, but big. It has no sound. I like this. Okay, yeah, that's just all of the tropical birds. There's missing a few of the big ones. There's like that one.